at the Horseshoe Meadows, Cottonwood Lakes trailhead, and I've been here for about 45 minutes waiting out a nice little rain shower, and it looks like it is finally starting to break, and I will be heading out. I had to secure all my food in these bear lockers. So I'm trusting that humans won't take them because I had a lot of food in there, and I could not bring myself to put my cooler in there though. So hopefully won't have my car broken into by a bear. Alright, well, I'm gonna do this. I think you can see it's starting to clear up a little bit. I'm off. Well, I'm barely a tenth of a mile from my car, and I've already heard my first crack of thunder. So we're gonna see how this goes. So I just want to say I'm actually feeling really special. California is dying for rain. It rained today, and the forest is really so happy. Everything's clean and fresh, and it's just really, really special out here. So just ran into a group that was trying to summit Mount Langley, which is what I'm here to do tomorrow. Sorry about all the huffing and puffing. I'm approaching 11,000 feet. Anyhow, they got to about 13,000 feet when all the rain hit, and they had about a mile to go. They said it was just pouring buckets and super socked in, and then a couple cracks of thunder hit. So they turned around before the summit. They were so bummed, but this is what happens, and they chose to live for another day, and tomorrow's gonna have the same kind of forecast as today, so that's very likely gonna be my predicament tomorrow, so stay tuned. hail. No big deal. Just got my tent set up just in time. So I literally just got myself in my tent. And I turned around. I have water just flooding down underneath my tent. This is not good. I gotta go out there and divert the water. This is insane. I am literally set up in a pool of water. Hopefully there's a way to divert it out of here. Ay, ay, ay. So I got my little stream diverted. Mostly got the water out of my camp. Of course, now the storm is dying down, but that's still a good thing because I think I need to move my tent. It's gonna rain again, I'm sure. Got this big puddle of water that goes underneath it. And then this campsite here, I was gonna set up right in that puddle, but I think if I move there, I'm gonna be good, because now I know that's not gonna flood, so we're gonna do that. This is the view from my tent tonight. Things are starting to calm down. I don't believe I'm totally out of the woods yet, but at least I know that where my tent is set up is not going to flood again. And it's probably gonna stay damp and a little on the chilly side. But at this point, we just have to wait and see what it's like tomorrow morning. I'm gonna set my alarm early, but if I hear rain or if I can tell that it's still looking pretty dark, I'll just wait until daylight, check the situation again, and take it from there. But hopefully, with a little luck, it'll be a dry night. Just not sure I can count on it. Well, I'm probably not gonna make it very far in this adventure, but I'm just gonna go and see what I can see. At least get up to the end of Cottonwood Lake number 5. I think that'll be interesting. As you can see, got some storm clouds back there, but going towards Langley, that's blue sky. So, I don't know. This is a crapshoot kind of day. Definitely not the kind of day I want to do a 14er, but we're just gonna roll with it and see what happens. I'm probably turning back. Alright, I made it to the top of Army Pass, and this is what I have. I honestly don't know if this is a good idea or not. It's probably pretty stupid, but then look at what that's coming over there. So, I don't know. I guess I'm gonna go a little bit further and just see how it goes. I met a hiker ahead of me who turned back. He said he got up to like a false summit a little bit higher and the lightning was really close. But that storm has passed. I was coming up this pass when that hit. So there she is. And this is what I've got to deal with. And I came up over there. I made it! Now I gotta get my ass out of here. Sun back on Langley. It's starting to poke through the clouds right now. Still a very sketchy day. The weather is still misbehaving. It's all supposed to clear up tomorrow. But all this rain is really great for the Sierra. Now I just have to get back to my car. Right through that. 2.5 miles to the trailhead. Nothing like a good old thunderstorm when you're not above tree line. So this is my first night, my first attempt at dispersed car camping. I always wanted to try this. And so I'm not too far off the highway. The town of Goldfield was really crazy.